As I mentioned during the unboxing of the Hasegawa Lancia Delta kit, I will be doing this in a collaboration with USCP. They have made multiple parts for this kit to enhance it from the stock version. They've made some wheels, some seats, and also a nicely detailed engine bay, which all of these I will be using on the build. In the unboxing of the main Hasegawa kit, I showed you that there wasn't really any engine detail for the engine bay side, just on the chassis side. So USCP decided to make a fully detailed engine. It's not an entire engine just from the top view, but in my opinion that is good enough to keep the cost a bit lower, but still have a nicely detailed engine when you open the hood. It comes with a nice little instruction sheet just to show you which part needs to go where, and also a bit of a color guide as well. So it's pretty much one piece that needs to be painted in various different colors if you look at it assembled and all. There are a couple of smaller separate pieces like the strut brace, which is nicely detailed, has some bolts and general detailing all around. Also some of the valve covers, or at least the valve cover itself, is a separate piece which needs to be painted red and stands out nice and bright with a lot of small details molded in, as you can see right here. Then I'm pretty sure this is some sort of air box or air intake, and it is also separate, which makes it a lot easier to paint it. And then the main engine bay part itself is one piece.